roofs that are up on the third floor. Very tight access there on the third floor. Yeah, open mic. Dispatch, you copy commands, traffic. Negative, all hands open mic. Significant exposure on the Charlie side. Have the next in engine respond on Castle, north of the structure. Have them protect that next exposure. Copy, next in engine. Respond to Castle, north side of the structure. Go ahead and charge the line, engine 9 driver. Team, we're already on location on the alpha side. Will you take that back side of the structure, please? Yeah, take that back side. It's going to be a defensive operation initially.
Battalion 2 on location.
Engine 9 driver, charge the line. Water coming. Engine 9, engine 16, you want a second line back there? Do you have the Charlie side?
Battalion 2's on location. Why don't you give me an update? I'll take command rating.
You mentioned you pay. So we got significant exposure on the Charlie side. You got engine 9 attacking from the Delta side. I got engine 16 that have gone on Hill Road or the Castle to try and get it off to the north. I need a engine 2 on the back. I've got engine 16 backing us up. I'm going to have them pull a second line.
Copy, engine 16 will pull a second line back from you. Break engine 2, command. Engine 2, command. Battalion 1, command.
Go ahead, command.
Alright, when you hit the ground, I'll make you a fire attack group. You're going to have engine 16 and engine 9 assigned to you.
Engine 16, engine 9, and who else?
At this point, just engine 9 and engine 16.
Copy, I'll assume fire attack, engine 9 and engine 16. Be advised that the house on the Delta side, PD has cleared it and there's nobody inside at this time.
Copy, Delta exposure is clear. Engine 2, command.
Command, engine 9, we've got the Delta exposure knocked down. We're concentrating on the main house now.
Command, copy. You have the Delta exposure knocked down. What was your further?
We're concentrating on the main house now.
Copy, break. Do you know where engine 2's at?
Oh, you see. Command, engine 2, go ahead.
Engine 2, did you take Hill around? Are you checking the Charlie side?
Affirmative, we're setting up a 2.5 with the ram for exposure protection. We're going to need a water supply.
Copy, break. Engine 5, is that you that just pulled on location?
Engine 5, that's firm.
Okay, get water supply to engine 2. I'll have you work with engine 2. Engine 2, I'm going to make you Division Charlie.
Engine 2 copy, we'll have engine 5.
That's affirmative.
Command, engine 9 driver.
Go ahead, engine 9 driver.
I have a continuous water supply.
Command, copy.
Engine 9 driver, charge the front line. Copy, charge the blitz line. Command, truck 5's on location.
Truck 5, I'm going to assign you to the fire attack group. Battalion 1's your contact.
Copy that. Truck 5, fire attack group, are they on the Charlie side?
They're over towards the Delta exposure here.
Copy. Engine 5, Charlie Division.
offensive or defensive?
Can you put this house?
And medic 26 on scene.
Copy medic 26 on scene.
Command, engine 4 is on scene as well.
Copy break engine 4. I'm going to have you get your crew and bring your crew up here to the command post. Command post is on the Alpha side on Castle.
Copy.
Division Charlie command.
Go ahead, command.
What are your resource needs on the Charlie side?
We're going to need one engine for water supply if we're doing exposure protection.
Affirm, I've assigned engine 5 to you. I told him to get you water.
Command, fire attack.
Command, engine 42 on location stage.
Go ahead, fire attack.
Hey, this is open all the way, top to bottom, fully involved. This is a defensive fire. We do need another line over on the Delta side for exposure protection.